This is my 20-gallon HUGO MAX 2-stage air compressor. This is the electric motor. It is 4 horsepower, 3 kilowatt single phase electric motor, and it has power of 4 horsepower, and this compressor driven by dual belt. You can see that, and there's a notification warning. And there is 3 piston for compressed air. So this one is a low pressure cylinder, and this one is also low pressure, and this one is the high pressure cylinder. That's how this one become 2-stage. And this one 68 millimeter bore, and this one also 68, and here this is a 51 millimeter bore, and this one is quite small, but it has a very high pressure. And actually the high pressure cylinder is temperature higher than the other. And this is the oil indicator. And maintenance manual. And here is the pressure switch, safety valve, and the pressure gauge, half-inch ball valve, quarter-inch ball valve. And I had to give supply within 40 ampere switch, so I decided to get the power from using a main switch. You can see